Imagine a world where digital locks protect everything. Your bank account, your photos, even your identity. Now imagine someone testing those locks not to break in, but to keep you safe. That is ethical hacking. Before we start, a very important rule. This is for education only. Never attempt hacking on system without explicit permission. In this quick lesson, you will learn what ethical hacking is, key concepts, safe places to practice, and your next step. What is ethical hacking? Think of it like a firefighter testing firearms before a blaze happens. The goal is to find weaknesses and fix them before criminals do. Now we are going to talk about some key concepts, some key terms and concepts you often hear in cybersecurity. We have the CIA Triad. It means confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Next, we have Reconnaissance. You often hear it as recon. We have active and passive recon. And reconnaissance means information gathering. We have scanning. Scanning means looking for open doors. Enumeration is digging deeper to see what's inside. We have vulnerability assessment as well, which means spotting a weak point in a web application or what you're pen testing. We have exploitation. But exploitation comes in when you are using a safe lab. And in this playlist, we're going to be working with so many safe labs, controlled labs. So you're going to follow all these steps we are talking about. So this is just an introduction to give you a clear concept of what ethical hacking is. Always have written permission, stay within agreed scope, and report findings responsibly. We have some safe lab options that you can always use. Use legal labs like OWASP Juice Shop, DVWA, Metasploitable, or online platforms like TryHackMe or Hack the Box. These are made for practice. There are 5 basic workflows that every ethical hacker, even a black hat hacker, will follow. But there's a difference between hacking as an ethical hacker, which is a white hat hacker, and hacking as a black hat hacker. Because if we're talking about the 5 basic workflows, we have information gathering, we have scanning, we have gaining access, we have exploitation, and a black hat hacker is going to clear tracks. But with a white hat hacker, that's where you now write a report like this. It always has to end with a report. You need to document everything you have had. So with a black hat hacker, after accessing or penetrating, hacking the system successfully, they will want to clear tracks so that the company will not have an idea if a hacker access, so that they can always have, come back and do what they want to do. We're going to get deeper into this. I don't want to bring this up now, but just know that at the end of the day, there's a difference between white hat hack and black hat hack. I'm insisting on this because I've watched so many videos and, so many courses. People, they don't really differentiate between these two. A black hat hacker is going to clear tracks after a successful hack. A white hat hacker is going to document what they have found after a successful hack, after a successful penetration test. When we get deep into hands-on, you realize in OWASP Juice Shop, you can try logging in with a test user and see how weak password get flagged. This teaches how attackers think in a safe way. Companies protect themselves with firewalls, intrusion detection, strong authentication, and regular patching. Takeaways: ethical hacking protects system. Always use safe labs. Never test without permission. Learn core concept first before you move into deeper hands-on. Practice responsibly. And I'm going to leave you with these 2 questions. You can drop your answer in the comment section. Question 1. What does CIA stands for? Question 2. Name one legal practice lab. To recap, ethical hacking is about protecting, not attacking. You learn key terms, the rules, safe labs, and next steps. Remember, never hack without permission. Thanks for learning ethical hacking basics. Start small, practice safe, and keep building your skills.